Hello, Namaskar. This is Vishwanath Ebbar. In this video, let us discuss the investment options available or where to invest. Before going to investment options, let us understand what is asset class. Asset class is nothing but category of investment. An asset class represents category of investment. Different available asset classes or investment options are such as fixed income instruments, which include fixed deposits, recurring deposits, corporate bonds, mutual funds, equity or shares or stocks, real estate, commodities such as gold, silver, crude oil, spices, fiber, pulses, etc. Now let us understand what is asset allocation. Asset allocation is a technique of allocating a money across different asset classes. Investments optimally should have a right mix of all asset classes. How much percentage of your asset should be allocated under each asset class depends on risk appetite of the investor, financial goals. The general rule is to allocate 100 minus age, that much percentage of asset into equity and remaining asset into fixed income instruments. It means suppose your age is 30 years, 100 minus 30 equal to 70. You can invest 70% in equity and remaining 30% in fixed income instruments such as fixed deposits, bonds, etc. This is only a general rule, but while investing, one also need to take a consideration of other factors such as current financial situation of the investor, what are the goals, how much risk you are willing to take, etc. Now let us understand the relation between return versus risk. Return is directly proportional to the risk. It means higher the risk, higher the return. Suppose you have invested in an equity such as stocks or mutual funds, there is a possibility of losing a capital due to the fluctuations in the market. If a market comes down, your capital will lose its value. At the same time, there is also possibility of market going up and you might get a good return. In this way, higher the risk is higher the return. For example, during the COVID-19 pandemic, market has come down significantly, so many have lost their capital. At the same time, market also has a potential of going upward and giving a good return. Similarly, lower the risk, lower the return. It means, for example, financial instruments such as fixed deposit are safe if you have invested in a good financial institution. Your capital is safe. At the same time, they also provide a less return. You will get around, as per the current interest rate, you will get only around 5 to 6%. In this way, return and risk are related to each other. To summarize, one should have a right mix of all asset classes. The investor need to take a consideration of financial goals and risk appetite before making asset allocation. I hope this helps you. Thank you for watching the video. We will meet in the next video.